It's only 11 something, but why does it feel like it's 2 something? We just vibing, we just crazy, baby.
What's up, YouTube? It's Cralisa Victoria. I'm back with another video. I am trying to see you guys, but hey, I am definitely trying to do a quick cleanup in the bathroom real quick. I'm going to wipe down. You guys see it in the background. I have the shower curtains already, hung up. That's because my phone dropped a million times. But anyway, I am here. I think I'm here now. But anyway, you guys can see the shower curtain in the background wrapped up. Basically, I had already been scrubbing the shower during the day, but the chemicals can get so strong I had to walk away from it. So now I'm back to cleaning my bathroom, and you could see the shower caddy in the background. I'm going to be scrubbing that down, but for right now I'm just clearing off my sink, putting away some things. I'm going to wipe down the countertops and everything like that, just get everything situated and put up. And then once I excuse me, got the burps tonight, but anyway, once I put that down, put everything, clear off the counter, I'm gonna just wipe the counter down with the wipe, add a little bit of cleaning solution to it. That way I can, definitely make sure that I get any germs up or any harsh stains. I'll go ahead and I'll spray that with some 409. My nose is so stopped up just from being around the smell of those chemicals, which is why I'm going to be making my products very soon. Like when I run out of solutions, I'm going to start making my own cleaning products that are natural, products that will not allow for my nose to get like this and just are not harmful. Then I'm going to scrub out the sink. I'm going to take the scrub brush and I'm going to scrub out my sink. Just because you don't see apparent dirt or anything in your sink or shower doesn't mean that you don't have like scum from cleaning or toothpaste or anything. So I like to scrub out my sink with a scrub brush, but this particular scrub brush I'm going to rinse back off because that's what I'm using to scrub down my shower caddy thing that's in the shower. This normally goes in a vertical motion in my shower, but I've taken it down so that I can focus on cleaning it. So I'm going to do that for the remainder of the video, and I guess I will see you guys at the end of the video. Keep on watching. I've completely clean the caddy. I'm going to wash my hands. I'm just going to leave that overnight to dry out. In the morning, I'll see if there's additional scum. But that concludes this video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you like, comment, share.
It's only 11 something, but why does it feel like it's 2 something?